सिलिंगा एक सिलिंग सारको ना हिंगा सिलिंगाक ते रॉड दिसता पयलीं हिंगा ते रूफ ते सगळे सकयलेला केन्ना पडटा ते हांव नको आनी हिंगा भुरगे ते शिकताय ते कोणाक तितले हे ना ते and anything can happen anytime, so I just demand for government just to look after this and they have to do something over it.
जे कितें काम केल्लें आसा मेंटेनन्स म्हणटा पळय नांवा पुरतें केल्लें हितून बेजीक स्ट्रक्चर वर्क कांयच केल्लें ना. हे स्कुलाची हालत अशी आहा की भुरग्यांक एक सारकें हेजार्डस आसा केन्नाय कोसळपाक शकता. आमी जितले क्लासरूम आतां पळयले धड इलेक्ट्रिसिटीचे स्विचीस ना धाकले भुरगे आहा फर्स्ट स्टँडर्ड सेकंड स्टँडर्ड जे भुरग्यांक कांय कळना ते बोट जर घालीत जाल्यार तांकां शॉक येवपाक शकता भुरग्यांच्या जिवाचेर येवपाक शकता. आमचें सरकार आमकां सांगता की सगळ्या भुरग्यांक शिकयात फ्री एज्युकेशन ही क्वॉलिटी जी आयज दिता त्या एज्युकेशनाची मागता सरकारा कडेन तेंच्यांनी मातशें बेगींतले बेगीन ह्या स्कुलाक येवन आदार करचो कित्याक आतां रिपेर करून दिवचें नाजाल्यार भुरग्यांच्या जिवाचेर येवपा भशेन आयच्या दिसाक हांगा कंडिशन आसा तेंच्यांनी जाता तितले बेगीन हांगा कितें ती एक्शन घेवन हें सगळें सारकें करचें.
There is no proper drinking water. All government schools are supposed to provide purified mineral water or RO purified water to the children. There is a water purifier, however there is no connection given. The tank disposing the water to provide drinking water to the children is not connected. The tank of the water that is accumulated for the use also is broken with a big hole, and when you peep inside the tank there is a lot of garbage that is being collected, and the area where the children are supposed to stand and drink or clean their tiffin or wash their hands is at a very high height, wherein the children are actually climbing on it and washing their hands and their tiffins, and it's so dangerous and slippery area. Any kid can easily fall off that place. So I request the government to please come forward and look after this matter, or whoever is able to help these children actually. I see a lot of improvements that have been done for the school, however it is not being regularly checked upon. That's why the facility is not being used properly. So please come ahead and please take care of this matter. It's really very serious to see these children in this state.
शाळेंत 350 भुरगीं शिकतात आनी बिल्डिंगेच्या स्लॅबाचो प्लास्टर कोसळटा. सरकार कोणाक रावला? प्रुडंटा खातीर दिसान परब.